Hey everyone, Cody with the Recast team here. In this feature demo, we're going to be taking a look at the client information tool that's offered to both enterprise and community users of right-click tools. This tool in the community edition will only be able to be run on one endpoint, whereas with the enterprise edition, you'll be able to run this across multiple devices. So let's take a look at the tool itself here. So we are in the config manager console, looking at our devices here. So I'm going to go ahead and take a look at the client information on my device that I'm logged into right now. So we'll go ahead and right click, go to right click tools. We will hover over our client tools, and that's where we're going to find our client information tool. So we'll pull that up here. So here's our client information tool. Our first tab here is going to be our general tab, which is going to give us just the client version number as well as the site code. Then we can actually see some more information about the device itself here, and we could right click and take actions on it from there if we needed to. We get some information about components as well as the component version. We get some caching information here, including the cache path, the size, and then also how much of the cache space is being used and available. And from here we could actually change the cache size or clear the cache if we need to. The cache details tab is going to give us some more granular look at the cache on this device, showing us what type of content is on here, and we can clear this content out if we needed to, or we could browse to the location as well. The applications tab is going to give us some information about applications that are deployed to this device. We'll also get the execution history on this endpoint with the name and the package ID. We could further drill down and see the device, which user ran it, the state, and the start time, and any error codes if we had those. And the final tab is going to give us some more boundary information about the device, which boundary groups it's in,